Hey y'all, my name is Angelica. I am one of the students in Bryce's coaching program. I'm a bookkeeper and I've been doing my own business now for about 2.5 years. Please give it a like, subscribe to Bryce, and also book a call with him if you are curious of how to get your bookkeeping business on a successful page, how to learn certain marketing strategies, and how to gain more clients. I decided to break out and do my own business because my husband and I built this school bus tiny home, and it allowed me to have freedom to be remote and virtual and be able to help my clients while I was out on the road traveling. And so that's one of the reasons that I wanted to do that. Now, I had prior accounting experience and worked for accountants and stuff in the past, and decided to break out on my own. And you may be feeling the same way, where you have all this experience and you want more freedom and you want to travel and you want to do all these different things and you want to start your own business, but you're not quite sure the steps that you need to take to do a bookkeeping business. Well, I'm here to share some steps with you of things that you need to do in order to become a bookkeeping business. So the first things first, you need to come up with a name. And this is important because it's part of your branding, part of what people are going to remember you as, and also it's going to be something that you need to possibly register with the state. I know for me, whenever I lived in Colorado, I had to do a DBA, which is doing business as, and my bookkeeping name, which is the Math Magician Bookkeeping. And basically I had to give my name some thought. I thought it was a fun play on words, mathematician plus magician, you know, getting people's books in together, something magical and exciting. So that's the reason I came up with my name. I know it sounds kind of corny sometimes, but it's unique and it stands out. So find a name that is unique to you, stands out, gets your point across, lets people know what you were there for. So once you actually have your name, like I said, you're going to have to register it. So either a DBA, trade name, or you're going to have to register as an entity as well. So there's sole proprietor, S Corp, LLC, C Corp, all of those other business entities. And LLC provides you with a little bit more security. That way you're not 100% liable personally if something were to happen within your business. But there are other fees associated with that whenever you register. So do your own research and find out what entity you need to become. And whenever you do so, make sure that you know the rules and laws in your state, because some states require certain certifications and licenses to actually practice as a bookkeeper. So that's something that you need to consider of, do you have to be licensed? Do you need certification? If so, then you need to take proper steps to do that. I personally didn't have to do that in the state of Colorado, and I don't have to in the state of Tennessee. I actually don't even need to technically register my business in the state of Tennessee because it is a tax-exempt business. So anyways, those are other things. And then also, if you are going to go with anything other than sole proprietorship, you need to register for an EIN number. That's your employer identification number. As a sole proprietor, you just are going to be using your Social Security. That's going to be your identification number across all the boards. So, like I said, do your research, make sure that you know what entity you want to do. Yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, subscribe to Bryce, and also book a call with him if you are curious of how to get your bookkeeping business on a successful page, how to learn certain marketing strategies, and how to gain more clients. So thank you again so much, and I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.